My name is Paar Melis. I have been working in the automobile industry since 1985. Well, I've known about Brian and the MoneyWrench service for the last 2 years. We have been working hand in hand and talking together and collaborating on helping improve profitability of some shops in Canada. I am United States based, so I do not have any affiliation with repair shops up in Canada. And so Brian is a lot of times the person I would recommend when people come to me from Canada on who to use as an accountant and help them with the kind of services that I provide. And Brian's done a great job working with the shop owners and getting a good understanding of their industry and helping increase their profitabilities as well. What I would say, if somebody's sitting on the fence and they're not sure about the leap of faith and working with MoneyWrench, is to consider the value of not doing it. By having an accountant that's specific in your industry is like going to a doctor for your child for a specific issue. You would not just take your child to a dentist for a heart issue. You would take it to a heart doctor. So with a business owner, you should take your accounting services to somebody that's specific in your industry to help you out. Most people don't realize an accountant is a resource to them, not just to do the compliance stuff, but a resource as a business owner talking to business owner that can help improve their profitability. So one of the things that we, both Brian and myself, bring to the table for shop owners is we provide reports back that are easy to understand, easy to follow, easy to see where there are problems in the business. One of the things we each provide back is what we call gross profit analysis, and it shows the pitfalls or the lack of profitability, and we're able then to show a shop owner where they're missing out on those revenue sources, and then we provide the solution. Both Brian and myself, if we're going to criticize a shop on having a deficit in an area, we're going to provide you with a solution to fix that. Whether you're the shop owner, you're going to follow our suggestions or not, that's entirely up to you. But we will definitely provide you the solution to a problem that you're having. So in simplicity is, Brian and I are not just the historian accountant that's just going to provide the end of year and compliance. All right, if you want that, you could find that. And it's going to be a lot less expensive than the services that we provide, but you're going to get a lot more value by working with an accountant on a monthly basis, forecasting, planning, focusing on how to improve profitability, doing tax planning, tax strategies, looking at ways that we could better your business, whether for maybe selling down the road or for your own personal life and helping you create freedom in your own business. We would like to be able to help you have the business give a life to you versus take it away from you.